This is the new clip. It's a replacement clip for the wiring harness for the battery. Sometimes these clips get broken on the tip because of poor removal, and so the tip of the clip that holds the retainer, once it's clipped in, breaks off. So I've designed these replacement clips. It's just a whole clip that goes inside the existing space to clip in the harness to the Onewheel controller. So this is what the original looks like right here, and this is what the aftermarket one looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this, including the retaining clip and also the portion that holds in the retaining clip, this, and then we'll replace it with one of these here. So let's go ahead and take those out. So what happens is we need to remove this part. So this needs to be broken off actually. Use one of these. Just pry it off like that. Just take off the rest of it. So the piece of it will be connected here. So this too needs to be broken off. Here. So it should be free now. And then what you would want to do is make sure that the rest of these, rest of the clip is cut off, so it's flush. Just don't cut the bump off of the wiring harness. That's what keeps the replacement clip in the harness when you install it. Flush as can be. And then you can cut off some of this too. Now you can see the rest of the clip is gone. All the rest is removed. Slide it in like so. There we go. And then when we put in the harness, we should be able to just clip it in. We're back in, and just sliding it in, and then connect the connectors. Like that. It's kind of tough to push in, so use a little bit of force. Like that. There you go. It's not going nowhere. Bigger, more amount of pins. Smaller, less amount of pins. And that's it.